Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in as admin, so start by removing the visible shortcut. Right-click the control panel icon on the desktop and choose Delete. This only removes the shortcut, not the app. Once done, empty the recycle bin or press Shift plus Delete to make the shortcut gone immediately. Make sure to confirm the icon is off the desktop. If you sync settings, check another device. Shortcuts can reappear when synced, so pause sync or sign out before continuing. Next, prevent the control panel from reopening by policy. Open gpedit. MSC as administrator, then go to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel. Double-click Prohibit Access to Control Panel and set it to Enabled. This blocks users from launching it and hides settings. Apply and close the editor. Make sure to update policies with gpupdate/force or sign out and back so changes take effect. This stops casual access while keeping system components intact for administrative recovery. If group policy isn't available, edit the registry carefully to achieve the same result. Run regedit as administrator and navigate to hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/policies/Explorer. Create a word named No Control Panel and set it to 1 to block access. Set to 0 or delete to restore. Once done, sign out or restart. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode and revert the DWORD or run system restore. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.